Sa gear. Gawin yung kite.
$96 pa to, $96 pa tong ano release.
Prepare the walls, please. You pick at the gate. Pick at the gate.
Keeper, Mortis.
Baba. Wait. Hit the gate. Ready. 5, 4,
Shaper.
1. Hit the gate. Guard it na.
Iting.
Bakit ba karap?
Left now, north.
Ay,
Left front, please. In the rear dead.
Dalawa pala.
Bam.
Left the front, please.
Bibigit lang tayo sa mga.
Yan. Huwag kayo lumabas.
Gusto ko lang mag-loot. Let me loot.
Ready, hit the gate. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate. Ano ka talagang di... Paper gating. Come here south.
Shaper, go.
Okay, so ngayon.
Shaper ulit.
Yeah.
Tumage tayo makakangiti na ito guys. Wait, the gate, ready, 5.
Ilaw, let's go.
The gate, come back.
Buglang ako dun. LCL.
Powerbomb. Direct reset, yun lang. Okay. You're in the gate, ready, 5, 4.
Ay na. Ay, patay.
Bet na.
Pambaba mo siya.
Light color shaper.
Sage mo ba yan?
Uy, yun nga. Comes out. Turbo. Instant turbo. Kapag ka ng mga bomber, kapag ka ng bomber. Dito kayo sa may sa, hindi kayo matatamaan nyo. Pass the, barricade. Ready, hit the gate, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Sayang. Hindi pa delete na.
yung mga namatay ata sila sa plan ba?
Karami.
Careful lang. Basag na yung crystal. Yes, sir.
Nabak mo dito.
25k. Shaper.
You ready? Hit the gate, ready, 5.
20 yung gate, ha? Tap yun.
Yeah.
15 yung gate.
Come back. Eh, comes out.
Ay na yung isang shaper nila. Namatay sa
Patay.
tibon.
Center. Very nice. Come center.
Papasag na yung gate. Papasag na. 5.
Pwede mo mag-drop ng Judas is pag may nagsishape.
Namatay sa tibon yung isang
Pinching up script.
Wait na. Hold.
Catching, they're trying to catch.
Hold.
Fake, that's a fake.
Hold. Careful. Come north. Tayo dito. Comes out. Yung comes out is... Dito. Up front. Walk. Dito tayo magkahit ha. Walk north. Ready, deep north now. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Comes out. Left. Siege hitting. You have bats. Careful ah. Yo, walk mo na. Walk north. Takutin nyo, walk north. Keep walking. Brown na. Ten ka pa. Hold. Yo, deep north. Take north now. We pass. Northwest now. By the choke. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Hit northwest now. Come back. Pass. Nice kill. Pats now. Pat. Soak. Clerics now. Soak it. Don't be scared. Careful. Come inside. Careful. Isa pa ulit ah. Hold. Tapangan pa. Napatay tayo dun, di ba? Hold. Hold. Pasay pagkat lahat ng pat. Tapos, kamak kami. Go, go. Air front, air front. Air front, guys.
Shaper, shaper.
Shaper na Jay.
Hold.
Temptation shaper ba?
Come sa to.
Ingat ka dyan, may inte ah.
Yung brawlers ko kami na lang ang brawlers ko. You ready? Hit the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3. Then yung balista. Left na. Left na.
Engage. Siege bomb. Wait.
Full back lang kayo. Full back lang. Sige, inaano nila pa-aggro niyo yung
Beat.
habang nasa base. Stupid warlock, where yan? Wilson stupid.
Ready ah, hit na yung keeper. Shaper stacking ako.
Sabayan nga natin. Ready di mo sa? Go the shaper. Come north. Watch na nung doon. You ready? West now, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west now, overdool. Right there, and kamak na. Kamak. Kahit na, help the front. Shaper hitting, oh.
Shaper.
Ayun yung kanina, guys.
Feel some smash wall in front.
Air front. Again, we play counter at the mage, okay? We let them in.
May mula kayo.
Hindi tayo mag-engage hanggat di sila mag-engage, okay? Yo, hit the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the gate. Tamak na, left na. Sige, agro sila yung mage. Tignan nyo. Kakalaman tayo dito. Careful dito kayo sa may south pa, may set kayo. Set kayo ng shaper sa switch.
Okay, mag-gila.
Topic na ako sa gate.
Siege bomb.
Siege bomb. Careful, head to front. You ready? Hit the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Shaper.
Hit the gate.
Oh my God.
Nagkatan nyo ang kasdabos nga.
Hulog Suprema.
Oh my god, yes, that's Supreme.
Yan yung demon style. Shaper.
Okay. Sige lang.
Hindi ako na...
Careful.
Wala. Fail.
Demons, guys, he's hold.
Tempo. Salayin yung...
You hit the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate. Come back. Kamis na. Hyper Raiders. Gigi. Hold on. Play with mage, okay? We play with the mage. Ready your pants, ready your clerics, okay?
Pengi, healer sa
Don't
top.
be scared. Let them in at the mage, okay?
Shaper.
Okay.
Yo, Supreme. Don't panic!
You hit the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate. Kamak na. LC will hit.
Dilugin.
Back, tight agad. Heal nyo Heal the mage, please. Heal the mage. Heal the mage. Hold on.
Yung nyo lang ito.
Ready clerics, ready pats Sok tayo dito. 15%. Come. Angat pa kayo dito. Just ready your pats, okay?
Lawak dito sa north ah. Marami kayo pwede pang-ikutan
Spread kayo dito. Guys, come northeast of the mage. Let them in, okay? We play with the mage. Spread by the mage. So we just play counter. Careful pwede yung mag-tip. Ready to catch siege tsaka
Nasa na lang tempo Engage ako.
pa-pick nga ako west side.
Engage siya sa mid.
Ikaw west. Yo, on the line color. Ready? 5, 4, dito yung salas na. Kill. Nagkatan nyo. Drop the damage. Kill. Okay, kamis.
Shaper.
Careful Shaper. Kill the mage, guys. Just ready your clerics. Ready pass. Help our bomb. Yo, walk west now. Walk west. Ready? Pat.
Engage.
Everything southwest now. Ready? Southwest 5, southwest 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything southwest now. Speak. Drop. Booking in nyo. Bobo nyo. Spread. Kami side. Put them to the mage. Brothers, brolis.
Ibim nyo yung mage, ibim nyo yung mage.
Oh, give me mage, guys. Hold. Steady pass, steady clerics. Kamus. Wait. Spread by me. Hold. We play counter again, okay? Spread to my east side. Spread to my east side, please. Spread to my east side. Shaper, not getting shaper. Ready, west side na, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side na. Jump. Habol. Pass.